Located in Venezuela's Canaima National Park, Angel Falls is the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall. With a plunge of 979 meters from the summit of the Ollantaytambo mountain and a total height of 1,123 meters. Its waters freefall so far they atomize into mist before reaching the ground. This awe-inspiring waterfall is named after Jimmy Angel, a U.S. aviator who was the first to fly over it in 1933. The indigenous Pemon people, however, have known it as Karapakupai Meru, meaning waterfall of the deepest place.